This is on the issue of the people's motion to compel the buccal swabs from Mr. D'Angelo, the defendant's opposition to that. Let me hear first from the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Again, Cheryl Temple. The defendant, by and through his attorneys, has accused this court and the people of violating his rights when the court signed the search warrant on February 3rd, authorizing additional buccal swab collection for DNA testing. Furthermore, there was an allegation that the defendant's Sixth Amendment rights were violated when the people obtained this search warrant and were planning to execute the warrant without his counsel present. However, the people bent over backwards to not just notify counsel of the acquisition of the warrant, but invite them to be present during the collection of the swabs.
Certainly, having a fifth swab in case they need it later, I don't believe is appropriate. Sacramento County still is doing its own testing with regard to its reference, and that doesn't go anywhere. So they still have that reference tested within their lab.
That one initial swab, and it was just one swab, which I'll address in a moment, has already been partially used, split, sent to Orange County, where it currently resides. It is in Orange County. It is not currently in Sacramento. And the people have received no offer from the defendant to stipulate to his identity as to having committed all of these crimes to which he's connected by DNA and then thereby connected by modus operandi. And so we have that burden of proving it. And how we prove it, and as perfectly as we prove it, is something that we get to decide, not the defendant. So because we would seek to have the best evidence possible to present in the most efficient and streamlined form, that is part of the probable cause that justifies acquisition of additional swabs, not just for Venturas, Santa Barbara, and Contra Costa, but also Sacramento and Orange County.
Matter being submitted, the court vacates the court's previous order that was issued in response to the defendant's motion. I am ordering that buccal swab samples be taken from the defendant. They will not be done forcibly, and there will be 4 taken, and they'll be taken at one time, on one occasion. If there is a need for a fifth, which I don't think there is, but if there is a need for a fifth, and that becomes apparent later and there's a basis to issue it, that certainly the matter can be brought back to the court.